Tommy and the Talking Toy Train. In a small, cheerful town, there lived a boy named Tommy. Tommy loved trains more than anything else in the world. His room was filled with toy trains of all shapes and sizes. Scene 1, a special gift. Visual, Tommy's birthday party with friends and family, colorful balloons, and presents. Tommy speaks, excitedly tearing open a gift. Wow, a new toy train set. Thank you. Narration asterisk. On his birthday, Tommy received a very special gift from his grandparents, a shiny, new toy train set that looked different from all the others. Little did he know, this train had a magical secret. Scene 2, the magical discovery. Visual, Tommy playing with the train set in his room at night. Visual, the train starts to glow and moves on its own. Train speaks, in a friendly, magical voice. Hello, Tommy. I'm Tinker the Talking Train. Narration asterisk. That night, as Tommy played with his new train set, something amazing happened. The train began to glow and move on its own. To Tommy's surprise, it spoke. Scene 3, a nighttime adventure. Visual, Tinker the Talking Train leading Tommy to a magical, miniature world. Tommy speaks, amazed. Where are we, Tinker? Tinker speaks, enthusiastically. Welcome to the land of toys, where every toy comes to life. Narration asterisk. Tinker the Talking Train led Tommy into a magical, miniature world called the Land of Toys, where every toy came to life. There, Tommy met living toy soldiers, dancing dolls, and even a robot who loved to tell jokes. Scene 4, solving a problem. Visual, a toy town in the land of toys, bustling with activity but facing a problem, clogged train tracks. Tommy speaks, determined. We need to clear these tracks so everyone can have fun again. Tinker speaks, encouragingly. Let's work together, Tommy. Narration asterisk. In the land of toys, the train tracks were clogged with leaves and twigs, causing a big problem for the toy townsfolk. Tommy decided to help clear the tracks so that everyone could enjoy their rides again. Scene 5, teamwork and fun. Visual, Tommy and the toy characters working together to clear the tracks, having fun and laughing. Tommy speaks, happily. We did it. The tracks are clear. Toy characters cheer and thank Tommy. Narration asterisk. With teamwork and a lot of fun, Tommy and the toy characters worked together to clear the tracks. Soon, the trains were running smoothly again, and the land of toys was filled with laughter and joy. Closing scene asterisk. Visual, Tommy back in his bedroom, the train set glowing softly as it returns to normal. Tommy speaks, sleepily but happily. Good night, Tinker. Thanks for the adventure. Tinker speaks, gently. Good night, Tommy. Sweet dreams. Narration asterisk. As the night came to an end, Tommy returned to his bedroom with a heart full of happiness. He knew that whenever he played with his magical train set, a new adventure awaited. End asterisk. Visual, screen fades to a peaceful night sky with twinkling stars. Text on screen, good night, sweet dreams, and until next time, keep exploring. Narrator asterisk. Good night, sweet dreams, and until next time, keep exploring. Background music fades out. Fade out asterisk. Visual, fade to black with channel logo and subscribe button. Narrator asterisk. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun adventures. End of video.